In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of exporting Office 365 Mailbox data to PST format using the BitRecover Office 365 backup software. To install the BitRecover Office 365 backup software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. If you have an Office 365 admin account, you can click on the I am admin option in Batch Backup Mailboxes. To begin, enter your Office 365 email address. Click the Login button to proceed. And new window will open on screen to log in your Microsoft Office 365 account. The scanning process will start and load the folders. Select or deselect folder for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select Saving option allows the user to choose a saving method. They can choose from a variety of saving choices. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. Users can also split PST files into segments. They can choose the size from the box next to it. Destination path shows the location for the saved backup folder. Click on Change button to select the location. Our tool provides users with filter options for selective export. Select Use Advanced Settings for selective backup option to use filters such as Date Range, By Sender, Subject, Exclude Folders, Match Exact Words, and Exclude Attachments. Our tool also supports incremental backup options so that user can backup data that has been modified or created since the previous backup was conducted. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Go back to backup option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the export process. Simply click the backup button, and the export process will begin. Once the backup is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the export was successful. Click OK, and open the destination folder and access the newly exported files. Please note, to view the exported PST file, the user must import it into Outlook using Import/Export option. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.